Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create Google Form from website. So to do that, first go to your Android browser, and once you're here, simply search for Google Forms. Alright, so now all you have to do is click on the first link and you'll be redirected to Google Forms website. And now sign in with your Google account, enter your username and password, and you'll be able to log into Google Forms. Now all you have to do is give your form some title, and you can see various options for question as well, and it's same like a PC. Now you can see the responses and settings as well. So yeah, all you have to do is give it some questions and answer option, and then it's same like PC. All you have to do is click on the three dots and send it out. So that is how you can create Google Form on mobile. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.